Best TikTok Cash Bot Review. TikTok Cash Bot is brought to you by Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. So the big question is TikTok Cash Bot really worth your money? I'll tell you if it ticks all the boxes, and if it does, I'll give you some awesome complimentary bonuses you can only get from me today. My goal is to help you make an informed decision so you don't end up wasting your money. Now let's jump into the next section of my TikTok Cash Bot review to find out what exactly TikTok Cash Bot is and how it can help you in your business. TikTok Cash Bot Review, what is it? TikTok Cash Bot is a $75 billion TikTok algorithm that pays you $25 to $50 over and over every time you upload a done-for-you video. No making videos. No editing. Just upload DFY videos and you're done. TikTok is booming right now. Once an unknown platform, TikTok is now rivaling YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. The proof is in the pudding, downloaded over 3 billion times, 1.2 billion active users, used by 18% of the internet. 52 minutes spent daily per user. TikTok is no longer a fringe platform for bored teenagers. It's becoming popular among all age groups. With this massive growth, there's a lot of money to be made. No, they're not talking about chump change here. They're talking about the possibility of generating serious, life-changing income. Because even teenagers are making more than elite heart surgeons. This just shows the opportunity opened up by TikTok. Needless to say, this is an online gold rush. But here's the big problem with making money on TikTok. The unfortunate reality is, there are so many different obstacles like filming videos, showing your face, video editing. And this can be a nightmare. Especially if you're camera shy. I knew there had to be a much better way. I knew there was a way to make money. But without all the typical obstacles. That means no showing your face, no expensive video equipment, no learning to edit videos. Wouldn't that be better? Allowing anyone to take advantage of the TikTok gold rush, without the need of creating videos. And you know what happened? Fast forward 9 months, and they had their hands on something amazing. They developed a TikTok cash system that pays them $25 to $50.00 over and over, a raging river of online cash. Yup, every time they upload a video to TikTok, they get paid $25 to $50. Introducing TikTok Cash Bot. They're just 3 steps away from receiving $25 to $50 payments for this software. To prove to you that this is a bulletproof system, they are going to walk you through what happened after they created a TikTok Cash Bot account from scratch. Step number 1, log in, access it online on your computer or mobile phone. Works on any device. Step number 2, upload, select a done-for-you video and hit the upload button. 0 video editing required. Step number 3, receive. Each time they upload a video, they make around $25 to $50. Sent to their PayPal or bank account. This is your chance to take a shortcut. You can skip all the trial and error, and get straight to the good stuff. Remember, with TikTok Cash Bot, all you need is an ordinary computer or phone and they're getting paid thousands by TikTok. This is the same exact app that's allowing us to live the laptop lifestyle. Stop worrying about money, receive daily deposits, and make money while you sleep. Does the sound of that bring music to your ears? And now, it's your turn for you to take out it for a spin. The ball is in your court now. Click the button below to get a copy of TikTok Cash Bot while it's still available. Beginner-friendly system, whether you have 2 years of experience or 2 weeks, it doesn't matter. It gives you everything you need to start getting results from scratch. Works anywhere in the world, as long as you have a computer and internet connection, you can tap into the $75B plus TikTok algorithm. Whether you're in Kenya, India, the USA, Mexico, or anywhere else, it doesn't matter. Just a few clicks to activate. This is something so easy even a 10-year-old could do it. Because it takes just a few clicks to activate TikTok Cash Bot. 100% legal to do. They're practically forcing TikTok to pay us hundreds per hour, whether they like it or not. And it's 100% legal to do. 0 expenses required. There aren't any hidden fees or strings attached. No buying expensive equipment. None of that crap. They give you everything you need. No upsells required. You don't need to purchase any upsells to make this work, everything is included inside of TikTok Cashbot. Works on any device you want, their application works on the internet, therefore it works on any device that's connected online. This includes Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, or any other phone or tablet that can connect online. What TikTok Cashbot can do for you. 100% brand new system. You're getting the brand new TikTok Cashbot system that they're using to receive $25 to $50 every time they upload a video on TikTok. Upload monetization technology. This is the most important part of TikTok Cashbot. It's the key component that allows us to make money by uploading done-for-you videos on TikTok. Mobile edition. This will allow you to also operate TikTok Cashbot, even from your mobile phone. Whether it's an Android, iPhone, or tablet, it will work. Step-by-step training videos. In the unlikely event that you have trouble setting anything up, they have a series of step-by-step training videos that give you detailed instructions from A to Z. TikTok Cashbot review pricing and upsells. Front-end offer is the main software phone for cash, which will cost you $19. For the front-end offer, the price you see now is available only during the launch period. TikTok Cashbot conclusion. Thank you so much for reading my TikTok Cashbot review. I really hope it did help you with your buying decision. This system is coming out with many bonuses for the early bird. Take your action ASAP for the best deal.